Hello students, I am Drashti Patel from Saraswat International Academy. I teach mathematics of standard 6. Chapter number 3, playing with numbers, part 9. Exercise 3.3, question 3. Using the divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. Okay, first of all, we revise divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. Okay, ऐसा नंबर जो डिविजिबल बाय 2 भी हो और डिविजिबल बाय 3 भी हो तो ही वो डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 6 हो सकता है. सो वी रिवाइज डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2. Divisibility by 2 equal to if a number has only of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 6 or 8 in its one place value, then it is divisible by 2. And divisibility by 3 is if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Okay, so start this question. Hint: a number is divisible by 6 only if it is divisible by 2 and 3. So first, 2,97,144. So we first check divisibility by 2 and then we check divisibility by 3. If both conditions are satisfied, then this number is divisible by 6. So let's start here. 1 place value is 4. Okay. So 2,97,144 is divisible by 2. So first condition is satisfied. Here now second condition, 2,97,144, the sum of the digit is, that is 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 27, which is the multiple of 3. So 2,97,144 is divisible by 3. So second condition also satisfied. So 2,97,144 is divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, the number is divisible by 6. Now, second, 1,258. Here, 1,258 is divisible by 2 because 1 place value is 8. Okay. So, first condition satisfied. Now, second condition, 1,258. The sum of the digits 1,258 is, that is 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 16. Okay, 16 is not multiple of 3. So 1,258 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so second condition not satisfied. So 1,258 is not divisible by 6. Now see, 4,335. Here one place value is 5. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 2. So 4,335 is not divisible by 2. So first condition is not satisfied. Now check second condition. So 4,335 equal to the sum of 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 equal to 15, which is the multiple of 3 because 3 5s are 15. So 4,335 is divisible by 3. Here second condition satisfied, but first condition is not satisfied. So this number is not divisible by 6. Now D. 61,233. Here one place value is 3. Okay. So 61,233 is not divisible by 2. So first condition is not satisfied. Now we check second condition. This number is divisible by 3. Let's check. So first, the sum of this number is 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 15, which is multiple of 3 because 3 5s are 15. So 61,233 is divisible by 3. Here second condition is satisfied, but first condition is not satisfied. This number is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 2. Okay, and condition of divisibility by 6 की क्या है कि 2 and 3 दोनों के साथ क्या होना चाहिए, divisible होना चाहिए. So this number is not divisible by 6. Now E. 9,01,352. Here one place value is 2. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2. So first condition is satisfied. Now we check second condition. Second condition is divisibility by 3. Okay, let's check. So 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2, total 20, which is not multiple of 3. So second condition is not satisfied. So this number is not divisible by 3. Here first condition satisfied but second condition is not satisfied. Okay, so 9,01,352 is not divisible by 6. Now F. 4,38,750. Here one place value is 0. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2. Okay, so first condition is satisfied. Now second condition, जो भी number दिया उसका क्या करना है, total, because we checking divisibility by 3. Okay, so 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 0. So total is 27, which is multiple of 3 because 3 9s are 27. So 4,38,750 is divisible by 3. Okay, here both conditions are satisfied. This number is divisible by 2 and this number also divisible by 3. Hence 4,38,750 is divisible by 6. Now G. 17,90,184. Here one place value is 4. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2. So first condition is satisfied. Now second condition. So 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4, total is 30. Okay, so 30 is multiple of 3 because 3 tens are 30, which is multiple of 3. So 17,90,184 is divisible by 3. Here second condition also satisfied. So this number is divisible by 6. Now H. 12,583. Here one place value is 3. Okay, so this number is not divisible by 2. Now second condition we checked. So total 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3. So total is 19. 19 is not divisible by, not multiple of 3. Okay, so first condition is not satisfied and second condition is also not satisfied. So 12,583 is not divisible by 6. Okay, now I. 6,39,210. Here one place value is 0. So 6,39,210 is divisible by 2. Now second condition we checked. So this number is divisible by 3. So let's start. 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Total is 21. And 21 is multiple of 3 because 3 sevens are 21. Okay. Here 6,39,210 is divisible by 3. Here first condition is satisfied and second condition is also satisfied. So 6,39,210 is divisible by 6. Now last J, 17,852. Here we check first condition, this number is divisible by 2. Here first one place value is 2. Okay, so 17,852 is divisible by 2. Now we check second condition, this number is divisible by 3. Okay, let's start. So 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2, total is 23, and 23 is not multiple of 3. So second condition is not divisible by, second condition is not satisfied. Okay, so 17,852 is not divisible by 3. Here first condition satisfied but second condition is not satisfied. So 17,852 is not divisible by 6. Now question 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. Okay, जो भी नंबर दिया है तो वो 11 के साथ डिविजिबल है वो चेक करना है. तो फर्स्ट वी रिवाइज divisibility by 11. Here I given hint. If the difference between the sum of the even place digit from right side and the odd place digit of the number 0 or divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Okay, chalo divisibility by 11. If the difference between the sum of the odd place digit and sum of the even place digit of a number is either 0 or is divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Let's start. First, 5,445. So first the sum of the even place digit. चलो even place digit कौन सी है यहाँ? This one, 4 and 5. Okay, so 4 plus 5 total 9. Then sum of the odd place digit, odd place कौन सी है जहाँ मैंने अंडरलाइन नहीं की है वो कौन सी प्लेस है? ऑड प्लेस है. ओके, सो 5 plus 4. ओके, and total is 9. Therefore different equal to 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, so 5,445 is divisible by 11 because हमें divisibility by 11 के टेस्ट में कहा है कि दोनों का डिफरेंट क्या आना चाहिए? either 0 or is divisible by 11. ओके, 0 या तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 11 हो तो वो divisible by 11 पॉसिबल है. ओके, नाउ बी 10,824. सम ऑफ द इवन प्लेस डिजिट इज, चलो यहाँ मैंने अंडरलाइन की है इवन प्लेस डिजिट पे कौन से इवन प्लेस डिजिट है? 2 and 0. ओके, सो 2 plus 0 equal to 2. देन नेक्स्ट सम ऑफ द ऑड प्लेस डिजिट नंबर कौन से हैं? 4, 8 and 1. सो 4 plus 8 plus 1 टोटल इज 13 एंड इवन प्लेस डिजिट का टोटल क्या हुआ? 2. चलो दोनों का डिफरेंट निकालो. 13 minus 2, आंसर इज 11 विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. सो 10,824 is divisible by 11. Now see 713895. So first of all we sum of the even place digit. चलो मैंने यहाँ भी अंडरलाइन की है इवन प्लेस डिजिट कौन से हैं यहाँ 6, 8 एंड 1। आपको पता होना चाहिए इवन प्लेस कौन से हैं हमारे 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ओके। और ऑड प्लेसेस नंबर कौन से हैं 1, 3, 5, 7 ओके। वैसे चलो सम ऑफ द इवन प्लेस डिजिट कौन से हैं 6 + 8 + 1 सो टोटल इज 50। देन नेक्स्ट सम ऑफ द ऑड प्लेस डिजिट इज, चलो ऑड प्लेस डिजिट कौन से हैं यहाँ 5, 9, 3 कौन से प्लेस पे 1, 3 एंड फिफ्थ प्लेस पे है 1, 7 ओके। नाउ टोटल 5 + 9 + 3 + 7 total is 24. Now different 24 - 15 equal to 9 which is not divisible by 11 because different क्या आना चाहिए 0 या तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 11 होना चाहिए तो ही divisibility by 11 possible है but here different is 9. So 7, 1, 3, 8, 9, 6, 5 is not divisible by 11. Now D 7, 0, 1, 6, 9, 3, 0, 8. Here the sum of the even place digit equal to, यहाँ मैंने इवन प्लेस डिजिट पे अंडरलाइन की है 0 + 9 + 1 + 7 टोटल इज 70 ओके। नाउ सम ऑफ द ऑड प्लेस डिजिट नंबर, ऑड प्लेस क्या है यहाँ 8 + 3 + 6 + 0 ओके टोटल इज 17। नाउ डिफरेंट 17 - 17 equal to 0 okay। So 7, 0, 1, 6, 9, 3, 0, 8 is divisible by 11 okay। Now E 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 okay। सम ऑफ द इवन प्लेस डिजिट इक्वल टू मैंने अंडरलाइन की है 0 + 0 + 0 + 1 okay तो टोटल इज 1 and sum of the odd place digit number is 1 + 0 + 0 + 0 equal to 1. Now different 1 - 1 equal to 0 okay। So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 is divisible by 11. Now F 9, 0, 1, 1, 5, 3 ओके। चलो ये नंबर के इवन प्लेस डिजिट कौन से हैं 5 + 1 + 9 मैंने अंडरलाइन की है टोटल इज 15 ओके। एंड सम ऑफ द ऑड प्लेस डिजिट कौन से हैं 3, 1 एंड 0 सो 3 + 1 + 0 equal to 4. Now different 15 - 4 so answer is 11. So 11 is divisible by 11. Therefore 9,01,153 is divisible by 11 okay। Okay I given homework in previous video okay। So I give answer so आप अपने आंसर चेक कर लेना ओके कुछ भी डाउट हो तो मुझे कॉल करके पूछ लेना। थैंक यू।